This year, the only prop firms that I have that is actually active is two prop firms, but two is already gone. They are all two 5K accounts, and this particular account is the one I wanted to actually record and show to you guys. Now, how is this account going, and why do I want to actually share it? I really wanted to I scripted a video and recorded it, but I really don't feel comfortable how the video is. It feels really scripted, and the whole thing I'm saying, I'm not sure I would have said it. All right, but this one is just me talking to my camera and showing you my screen. Now, here is the metrics of this particular account. I am already almost 6% in drawdown, but I think I'm not almost, I'm 66% in drawdown here. As you can see, the overall drawdown on this account is where is it? 6%, as you can see, this one here. Now, you can see my consistency is actually good. This is 94. My win rate has dropped. It was around 60 something to 70, and that's because anytime I'm winning, my win rate increases, and anytime I'm losing, my win rate decreases. This is the dashboard for it. I started this account around 30th of January, and I got into a good profit of around went to a profit of around 5.7%. And after getting to 5.7% in win, I started dropping. And after for a few, I think from February 28th down to May 19th, so February, March, April, May. In 2 months, I lost all that I have made on that account and even went into deeper drawdown. Now, from this place, from May 19th, from May 19th, sorry, from May 2nd and May 9th, I actually didn't trade the account. That was when I didn't also trade the account. I gave my one of my accounts, which is this one, Funded Next. I gave my Funded Next account to someone else to trade for me. All right, not for me, but like it was like he would trade it when he passes the account. We just share profits. All right. So I'm looking at this place because that's where my screen is. So I'm constantly looking at looking at myself. Let me hide it. So he took the account and he actually breached the daily limit. He's a good trader, but that was probably not his good month. And in trading, risk is probably one thing that we can't escape. So I took the account. He sent it into drawdown up to 6% or close to 6%. He wasn't aware of this one because I think I connected it. I don't know if I told him or not. I can't remember if I told him or not actually. But maximum loss limit. Okay, so he then breached the daily loss limit. That was one of the things that he breached. So the maximum loss was not reached totally yet, was it? Okay, I think yeah, it was reached. So the maximum loss was reached, 8%. I actually didn't see that, and we traded for 21 days. Okay, so when did the account actually end? I don't know the date that it stopped, but I use this as to market. So I think the account he lost everything around May 19th or May 19th. So from May 19th, around May 20th or May 27th. So May 27th, I took the account back. Not from him, but I took the account, the one I connected to copy trade from his side. I took the account from negative 6.7 back, sorry, 5.7 back to almost 5%, which is this one right here. All right. So I take it back to almost 4%. No, sorry, 4%. And from the 4%, I started going back down to drawdown again. This sharp drop actually shocked me. I was like, what's going on? Why did I just get these few losses? And then I went back into drawdown again. Now you can if you've realized that I am not from here. I was consistent every single day, almost every single day. Here I didn't trade the account myself. Not all from this place. I stopped. Then my friend took over. Then I didn't trade again. Then I brought back the account from. So you can see from here. So I sent the account back I made more profits. All right, so if this was my real account, honestly, I would have made a withdrawal, but no, I didn't treat my real account as a then. Now I went back into drawdown again just this few days. I think that was last month. So I was up July 25th. I was up almost 4%, and I went down into so July, August, September. So within 2 months, I have sent the account into drawdown once again. The same pattern that I had back in what do you call it? Back in January to March. Now I don't really know what my problem is, but I know that there is something I am doing wrong. I don't really care who you are, but if you think you have an advice you want to give me, it is not about my strategy, by the way. So if you think you're going to talk about strategy, please, I will need it. Okay. But if you're talking about patience, or even if you're talking about, if it is the same strategy you trade with me and you can advise me on that, I have no issue, no issues at all. But if you don't trade the same strategy with me, I really wouldn't need your advice, because I am not ready to change any strategy at all, because my strategy works perfectly fine. As you can see, it works. Here, I know it was psychology, all right? But what exactly do you think can cause this? What is your experience with this? And if you are giving me this advice, please, I would think you should actually have more experience in this than I do. It doesn't matter if you came into the trading industry before me or not. I just want to know, what is something that I'm actually doing wrong? But to be fair, what am I going to do next? What I'm going to do next is that I'm going to be trading the account. I don't really care if I will lose this account or not. I'm just going to go full force and trade the account with my full confidence and see what can happen. I know I've lost a few of my profitable trades here, and I also know that here to the same thing, because here when I started, I was just making back to back up until here. All right, my risk management was like 1:2, so it was not something that was hard for me. As you can see, I just went in, and you can see the push from here up until here is just crazy. So if I calculate this particular profit from here to this place, I have made almost 8%. Okay, almost 8%, or I think 10% rather, because from here it is in drawdown of 6%, then sent it back to up to 3.88%, $388, which is 3.8%, and I came back down now even further. All right, so after that I came back into good profits. I came back into good profits, but I made some particular loss the last time. So today is Monday. I'll be taking new trades. I'm looking at some charts at the moment, and I'll be taking new trades. But I just want to put this out there to show you guys what I am going through, and for you guys to see from this angle what you think I'm doing wrong and what you think I should correct. All right, so that's why I just made this video, nothing else. I don't know, I really want to be very transparent this time around, because trading is not for the weak, and if you know you need help, you just need to seek help. I absolutely haven't been like that focused on trading that much. I've been working, and it has really been disturbing me, and the whole thing just messed up. So I don't know, man. I don't know, but yeah. So I hope you guys do see what I'm talking about. So this is my current setup. I'm looking at this. I'm looking for price. This is last week's Friday low, and I would like price to go back into this. So this 1 hour time frame, and I would like to see price go from here. Maybe this is not bad. So if price goes above this, then I'm going to take a trade. But this is probably going to be, so if price goes here, I'm going to be looking at around 1:2%. If it reverses from here, by the way, I'm going to be looking around 1:2 or 1:30%, and that should take me out of drawdown. Likely, yes, that should likely take me out of drawdown, because if it will reach here, then it will likely take me out of drawdown. But if not, then I'll just be a little bit close to getting out of drawdown, because I'm going to risk 1%.